Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread cookie using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To make our gingerbread cookie, begin with a brown color and mold it into a ball shape. You can flatten the ball with your hands on your working surface, then mold it into a Christmas tree. We are going to use ball tool to make a hole in the cookie. Next, I made a ball out of a white clay, rolled it and made icing around the cookie corners. After making the edges, I proceeded with making Christmas tree glazing decorations. To make decorations, roll small white balls, attach them on the cookie surface and secure them on. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished gingerbread cookie looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!